Today I'm going to show you how to replace the zipper. First you have to remove the zipper from the bag. So that requires you to rip the seam here in the bag and expose the zipper edge. Slide the zipper back onto the tracks. It's not easy. Not easy, the photography. But you slide that back on there and then tuck this back in to the material. Tuck this back in. And then it'll require you to make a stitch along this edge. Sew a stitch on this edge. This bag we replaced all 3 zippers. All 3. It's like a brand new bag. Zipper replacement.